Hi guys, so naami diri karon sa Scenic World sa Katumba and i-try nato ipakita na ko sa inyo unsa ilang mga rides diri guys. Actually sikat ang Scenic World sa mga rides like Cableway, Skyway and Railway guys. So mo nang Scenic World, mo nang sa gawas guys. Makita ninyo. Scenic World. So mo ni ang iyahang building guys. Ana pakita na ko sa inyo mo na ang building Scenic World Katumba. So, ayun na. Pakita na ko sa inyo. See you guys. See you.
Baliw.
Hi!
Hi!
Hi! Unsa ni nga ride gani? Unsa ni nga ride ta?
Tren.
Railway ride.
Railway.
Railway ride guys. So,
Railway ride.
napa may 2 rides remaining.
2 rides ba?
Yep. Napa may Skyway and Cableway. Skyway and Cableway guys.
Mark, na kay Mark. Ahmad sa?
Prepare. Pasaka na.
Danik, pagpunit na ba? Danik, mahadok kasi ni Danik.
Wala lagi.
Mahadok si Danik. Basta, kagaman.
Ba't yun ka man? Yung ilong.
Saan kami ng keso?
Maliwanag sila yung ano. Hindi na madilim. Nung nakaraan madilim.
Saan ka na guys? Gitgit na gitgit. Tunnel. Hanggang may tunnel guys. Lagi ng tunnel.
Hindi na manatag.
Tunnel na guys. Tunnel. Gito na gito. Tunnel. Wala pa guys. Around 2 minutes yata. 2 minutes or 1 minute lang kami.
Babalik ka naman daw.
Congratulations! Congratulations! Bye! Guys, next ride. Hi guys. Mao ni ang this is Skyway. Skyway guys. Alright, Skyway guys. Hi tita. Hi Katumba. Skyway. Hapon tao. Yes. Naisalam sa baba. So dahan kay capacity guys. Capacity. Second ride. Second ride. Skyway.
因为我们住在体塔，我们是在看到波山顶比较一般。住在山里面的话，
Alrighty then, so feel free to move around, ask any questions. As we're heading across, we've got our glass floor in the middle there if you want to have a quick look down. And then right hand side ahead of us, you've got the iconic Three Sisters, sacred to our traditional custodians,
Three
Sikandanga.
Sisters.
Left hand side there, you're going to get a good view of Katoomba Falls, one of our largest here in the Blue Mountains. Never actually run dry in history, and also plays a big part in Sydney's water supply as it travels through the Katoomba River into Warragamba Dam. Now right hand side out towards the south there, that big flat top rock is called Mount Solitary. And it's a popular camping and hiking destination. About 6 kilometres out, it takes around half a day to get to. Now along with everything you can see here, we're only looking at about 2% of the Greater Blue Mountains World Heritage Site. So this whole area is over 110,000 square kilometres, putting it at twice the size of the US Grand Canyon, 4 times the size of Hong Kong, around about the same size as the country of Lebanon. When we're looking out into the valley, up into the distance there, we're going to see a bit of that blue haze on the horizon. And that's where we get our name from, the Blue Mountains, because of what's known as the Rayleigh scattering effect.
Hi guys, so diri sa Scenic World na sila 3 ka main nga rides, which is ang Skyway, mo na ito gisakyan bag ulang, and ang Railway. Railway mo na ito ang first nga gisakyan guys kaganina before ang Skyway, and last but not the least kaning Cableway guys. So atangin ninyo guys ha, muna mo ang sakyan next, last but not the least nga rides. Bye-bye. Hi guys, so this is the Cableway entrance guys. As you can see, papasok na kami sa last ride namin, and this is the Scenic Cableway. Alright, see ya! Hi guys, so ito yung pinaka last na rides na sasakyan namin, and this is the Cableway. As you can see, medyo hindi kayo marami, pero usually napupuno talaga to guys. Last time sumakay kami dito last year at talaga naging exclusive sa amin kasi kami lang talaga sumakay last year. Ayan, so abangan nyo yung mga views guys na makikita ninyo while riding the Cableway guys. Papakita ko sa inyo yun. Alright, so hi everyone! Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye-bye!
Ay, Diyos ko po. Ayan, diyan kami babagsak sa mataas na yan. Ayan. Grabe
Ayan,
taas.
yun yung pupuntahan namin guys. Yung dulo na yan guys. As you can see. Ayan. Three Sisters, kita-kita pa din dito. Yan. Hello. Hi tita.
Hello.
Hi. Hi Kong. Hi tita Annie. Hi Mark. Hi Ton. Ayan guys. Ito yung ito na yung last na ride sa sasakyan natin.
Ihulog tayo sa baba.
Doon tayo guys. So, the Three Sisters. Yan. Yan yung view ng Three Sisters guys. Grabe yung puno. Oh. Grabe yung forest.
Ano lang tayo eh. Sa taas nito. Oh, Mads. Yun, Diyos ko po. Sobrang taas.
Ay. So, yan guys. Medyo hindi marami yung sakay ngayon. Pero, ayan, masaya pa din. Relax lang yung takbo guys. Actually, hindi ganun ka-intense yung rides na to. While enjoying the views, my falls, andun, kita pa din yung falls guys. Yung falls kanina sa Cableway, ay sa Skyway. kita pa rin dito.
Alright, welcome to the Jamison Valley of One. When we come to a stop,
Parang facilitator while
the doors will open up on the side that I'm standing on. I need you to walk along the walkway. If you want to go to the railway, you need to turn right. If you want our 2 longer walks or to come back onto the cableway, you're gonna.
So yun guys, narating na namin
Or you may go out
yung
via the railway. That'll be the
namin.
most exciting way out. Which is
Bababa na
going
kami
down
at
into the
kasi
right.
nang
Your area national parks or national park halls to apply. There are also
babalik naman sila dun sa taas kung saan kami nagaling kanina. So yun.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Bababa kami at saka mag-tour ng konti. Hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo kung ano yung papakita. Mga kahoy-kahoy lang actually guys. Mga kahoy-kahoy, puno, mga ganyan lang. Mga halaman, ganun lang talaga nakikita dito. So ito yung pinaka-last na ride sa sasakyan namin guys. Cableway, Railway, Skyway. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Ingat palagi guys. Bye-bye. See you in the next vlog. Bye-bye.